All right, I had a viewer comment about my my WaveTech instrument here that I bought, and somebody went and removed the cowl sticker, and they came along with a sharp object, a razor blade or something, and they scratched up the whole front panel here and marred it for life, okay? And they made the comment, hey, you should use these plastic things. And so that's what I want to talk about today. I just discovered these plastic things last year, and so I found his comment timely. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So you might be tempted to use these old razor blades here. They have the single edge, and you can grab a hold of them, you can scrape, scrape, scrape. I sort of like these because they're nice and stiff in the hand and hard. You can get kind of both fingers on it to do that. So these are like a box cutter type of blade, right? But what if you could get these that didn't scratch? Okay, well, turns out you can, and you can get big boxes of them. So what are these? Well, these are razor blades, except they're plastic. They're really cool. They just look like razor blades, but they're plastic. They have a sharp edge. They're beveled in one direction, and they're razor blade form, fit, function. I don't think you can shave with them, but yeah, so super, super cool. You get a big box of them, like super, super cheap. These things are just incredibly cheap, but yeah, they're plastic, and so you can like scrape to your heart's content, and you're not going to do any real permanent damage with them. So I really like these things. Like I said, I just found out about these last year, and yeah, I use them all the time. If you're shopping for these things, get yourself one of these holders. They have these little holders here. Let's see, press close, press to open. So you press it to open, and it kind of springs open, and then you can put the razor blade in there. It slides in from, oops, open, there you go, slides in from one side, and then once you get it in there, you press it closed, and it kind of snaps, and now you have this nice little holder. These are like, I don't know, 50 cents or something. It's all super, super cheap, and then you have a really nice purchase on the blade, and you can scrape away. So I really like these things. I got these on AliExpress. I think probably just look up plastic razor blade or something, plastic scraper, something like that. You'll find them. Yeah. I really like them, and you can get like a year's lifetime supply. Yeah, probably 6 lifetime supplies. They're really good. I use them all the time now. Didn't know they existed until last year.